Hi, my name is Tom Finster. Welcome to my Soundteams masterclass. If you don't know me, I do music professionally for like 15 years. Before, I also produced music for other people, wrote songs for other people, for rappers, for German pop singers. In this masterclass, I want to talk about mixing, but also about like how I understand music, how I understand sound, and how this helps me to make better decisions in the mixing process, what to prioritize. If you watch this masterclass, you're definitely trying to learn a lot about music. It's much more about what kind of signal do I have and how can I affect those signals in my song in a way that helps the song. A good song leads the listener through the song like a director leads the viewer through a movie. My advice, finish your music now. See you.